Hi and welcome to another episode of my KTM Duke 250. And so today is holiday season and I'm just having a short ride to Batu Kawan just for fun. But today I'm just want to compare my GoPro, which on my chest, to this one is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I just want to see the image quality and the image stabilization between both of them, because the GoPro Hero 7 Black here is by far my most favorite camera for doing my video. So let's see how how the iPhone 15 Pro Max fare against the GoPro Hero 7 Max. Let's go. And so today is a sunny day and today is holiday season. As you can see, there is not many cars on the road today. Not very congested, not like the normal weekdays. You have a lot of cars jamming everywhere when going all the way to work. And now it's on 10 o'clock in the morning. Very hot as well. Oh, it's a Tesla Model 3, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, we have arrived here and behind me here is the IKEA, and this one is the Central Park, Batu Kawan. Yes, I'm now at IKEA Batu Kawan and enjoying my, how to say it, late morning breakfast while transferring the file. Here in this one is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now let's start to compare the image quality on both camera. Let's start with the GoPro, and here you can see that the image quality is very impressive, and that's the reason why I like a GoPro very much. It captures every little fine details everywhere. Now let's go over to the iPhone. As you can see now, this is the iPhone, and here the image quality is still very good, but there are a few things that it lacks. The first is it has a very narrow angle of view, and the second is it has a very less depth of field. You can see the camera appears to be blur when it's near to the lens, and also it has a very darker contrast compared to the GoPro. But nevertheless, both features a very good image stabilization. Now let's go over to the GoPro. This one is the GoPro, and here you can see when I go over the bumps, it's stabilized image very good. this one is the iPhone. Here, go over the bumps. So both camera is very good. I bring along my GoPro whenever I go out for my vacation or some leisure time, just to capture some wonderful moments with my family. So now I have bought this one, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, for my wife, so I don't have to bring along so many extra gears and saving my space. This one, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, is a very decent camera with a good image quality and the image stabilization. That's the end of this comparison. Now let's go home.